May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within.
Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my full house summer speed clean. I hope you guys are lovely and cozy. Grab your favourite drinks, all the snacks, and I hope you guys are ready to get cozy, but also to have some sort of cleaning motivation from today's video. So first things first, for me personally, I love to make myself a very large coffee, especially if I'm cleaning the whole entire house. I need all the cleaning motivation that I can possibly get, and this just gives me that extra energy and it really helps me through.
You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul.
So the next step for me is to grab my coffee and head into my lounge. I'm going to use my notebook today, which is from House of CB. I love their stationery so much, but this list book is amazing. It's a really easy way just to write down all the things that you need to complete for that day. But I also like using it for different things like cleaning. So I'm going to write all my cleaning to-do lists that I need to do for the day, whether it's cleaning the bathroom, the skirting boards, hoover. It's just an easy way to remind myself exactly what I need to do in every single room. And also if I've forgotten anything, for example skirting boards, I feel like I always forget them. So it's an easy way just to remember exactly what you need to do, and you feel so productive at the end when you've ticked everything off. If you don't have a notebook like me, you can use your phone or just grab a plain piece of paper and jot down exactly what you need to do.
The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
I wanted to show you guys a few of the products that I'm going to be using today. Some of the products were actually in my kitchen under my sink, so I forgot to show you those, but these are the loveliest summer scents ever. So of course I have a lot of Lenore. Lenore is just the most amazing brand and it's so strong. I'm going to use the 1001 Carpet Fresh today. This is the pet friendly one, which smells amazing. Of course I'm using Zaflora. This is the Peony Blush one. I think it's my favourite. I've got a lot of Febrezes. These are the plugins which smell amazing, and also the Comfort. So these are such lovely products, and of course I used other ones as well, but these were just really cute summery ones that I wanted to show you in case you haven't seen them. So Bradley did help me today with a lot of the cleaning around the house. So first of all, we're just going to start off in the kitchen, load the dishwasher, clean the sink, wipe the sides, you guys know the drill, just things like that to make it look all lovely and sparkly. I have for you lovelies, which I've honestly done for years and years since watching Mrs. Hinch's story all those years back, is popping a few capfuls of Zoflora with boiling water into your sink with your cloths, because not only does it disinfect your cloths, it makes your whole house smell incredible. So I really recommend doing this. I honestly do this every single night before I'm ready to go to bed, because it makes the house smell amazing. I feel like everything's all clean, and I wake up in the morning and it still smells so lovely. I'm then just going to pop a wash on. Today I changed the bed sheets, so this is the old bed sheets, so I'm just going to put them in with some Mega White sheets. These are amazing just to keep all of your clothes and items like this all lovely and white. I'm then going to use these Lenore Unstoppables. I'm going to pop some more Lenore into the drawer and pop the wash on. Next thing I'm going to do is just hoover and mop the floors. This is obviously really self-explanatory, but I find it so satisfying, and I feel like it just completely finishes the kitchen off at the end.
I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more.
So moving on to my hallway, I'm going to use these dusting cloths. I couldn't find my duster, but I found these cloths and they feel like dried out makeup wipes, but they do gather a lot of dust. So I really recommend them. And I'm just going to be dusting everything in my hallway, from my tables, my lamps, everything like that, and also the banister.
I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you. I hope you'll always be around, even if I...
Of course, when that is done, I am just going to mop the floor. I did hoover it before, as you would have seen, but of course I'm going to mop it. I feel like when you have wooden floors, until you mop the floors, you realise how dirty everything is. It's disgusting, but it looks so beautiful and shiny afterwards. Moving on into my lounge. Again, it wasn't a total mess, but it just needed a little bit of TLC. So I'm going to dust everything, hoover, mop, make the sofa look all lovely and cozy, and just make it all clean and smell amazing.
Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt right.
Next up, I'm going to be popping my neon diffuser on. I've actually got a neon one down here and then a White Company one in my bedroom. So you put some water in it, and then I'm going to put my Seashells White Company oil in. You pop it on and that's it. It smells amazing. It's got a timer on, so you can do it for however many hours you want. I usually just press on if I'm at home because it smells incredible and I just love it. I can't not do it now. So after that, I'm just going to hoover the floor and make it all lovely before spraying the 1001 spray.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Job I absolutely love doing is changing my wax melts, which is a really strange job, but I find it so therapeutic. So I bought these cotton balls from Poundland, and it's a really easy way for the wax melt just to soak up into it. and then I'm going to be popping a new wax melt into the wax melt burners. I get questions all the time about where my wax melts are from, and these electric ones are actually from my local garden centre, but I've seen that you can get them from Amazon as well, so I'll pop a link to them in the description box down below. Now heading upstairs, we're going to do my beauty room first before moving on to the hallway. It just needed a little clean. It wasn't too messy, to be fair, which is probably the first time in the longest time that it hasn't been messy for more than a week. So I'm just going to clean anything up, make it all lovely and shiny, and just give it that extra TLC.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Moving on to the hallway, I'm just going to put my bedding away. This is actually the bedding that I'm going to change my bedding to. How many times do I want to say bedding? So I'm just going to fold it neatly-ish and put it near the stairs, ready to take upstairs, so we can change the bed sheets in a second. So I'm just going to put out any of the washing, or not put it out, put it away, so it's all lovely, and then just hoover the hallway upstairs or the landing and make it all lovely and clean. Next up, me and Bradley are going to change the bed sheets together. I swear this is the most tedious job, but you feel amazing afterwards. It's like a love-hate thing. I don't know about you, but I hate changing the bed sheets, but afterwards I feel amazing, and I just can't wait to get into them in the evening. So when me and Bradley are doing it together, it makes my job 10 times easier. So this is how we always make the bed in the morning. The bed sheets are changed, and the bedroom wasn't actually that messy because we did clean it the day before. So yeah, the bed sheets just needed to be changed, but everything else was all good. Now moving on to my wardrobe room, I'm just putting a few pieces of clothing away that was on my stool. And again, just hoovering and making all the last finishing touches in the house to make it all lovely and clean. If you're wondering why I haven't done any of the bathrooms today, as you would have seen, Bradley was home, and when we clean the house together, he does the bathrooms because we have 3, and then I'll do everything else really, unless we do it together. So yeah, the bathrooms were cleaned, but Bradley done it and I didn't film it, so they are really lovely and sparkly though. So to finish everything off, using the 1001 spray, it smells amazing, and it's just that instant freshness that you get in your home. So I really recommend this product if you haven't tried it already. And another thing that I love to use are the Febreze plugins. You guys know I use them all the time, but make sure you turn them off when you're not at home or you don't need them on, because they are a fire hazard. I always turn the diffuser things around on the inside every now and then because they do burn. So that's just a tip that I have for you guys if you're wondering. But yeah, they are so amazing. They smell incredible. Just be a little bit careful. So to finish everything off, I'm just going to light my favourite candle, get cozy for the evening, and that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed my summer speed clean with me. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, as it helps me out so much. And I will see you lovelies in my next one. Bye.